What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Alright, if you guys remember, we left off where we just lowered the back. Now we got the front lowered, we got the back lowered. We're going to be running our airbag setup. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing. Alright, we're going with Airlift suspension here. We have the wireless one, easy mount. This is what we're going with. That way we can control our airbags with this controller, and it also has an app. And everything should be mounted very easily. The IHC kit only comes with lines that you can run to manually air everything up with the compressor, but I want to have an onboard compressor so I can do it whenever I need to. I don't want to have to worry about lifting or lowering anything and needing another compressor, bringing it in the truck here and, you know, airing it up. I'd rather have everything inside already, so if I ever have to load any wood, any cement or anything in the back, I can automatically just press a button, lift the suspension up, load whatever I need, and that way we don't have any rubbing on this area here. So we're gonna follow the instructions and install this thing as instructed. So this is our airlift system. We got our little compressor here, and this just gets attached with some U-bolts to the frame, and then we got to run our wiring straight to the battery toward our ground somewhere on the frame. That should be it. Shouldn't be too hard of an installation. And then run our plumbing from here to each bag individually. Let's get started. Alright, so our instructions say to mount it on the frame passenger side, the outer part of the frame here. So I'm going to look under the truck and see where I'm going to mount this. Alright, this is the passenger side leaf spring, and there's this area here. I think it's going to fit perfectly here, like that. Yeah, it's like it was made for it. Fits perfect here. I'm going to run the U-bolts and see if we can mount it already. Alright, I think I'm going to mount it like this. We have the U-bolt going from the back. We just need to tighten it. But I just want to set it up here for now. According to this is a preferred mounting orientation here, with the wires going up, because there's less chances of water getting up here as opposed to over here. So that's how I have it. The wires are all the way up here. I don't know about this, man. Hopefully there's no damage if water gets up here. I guess only time will tell. Especially because we're low now. So I'm pretty sure there's more chances of water getting down here. Okay, we're going to tighten these and we're going to run our wires towards the front. Alright, I finished running our lines. So our electrical lines, they're all under here. You can see them running through here. Then we went up and we're over here. So I made sure I loomed everything up just to make it look nice and clean. I added these, I crimped these connectors on, along with this side too. This is the ground and our power. So we're going to connect everything, and then last but not least put our fuse in here. Connected to our battery posts here. Alright, so you can see all our plumbing here. It's these quick disconnects here. We'll see if there's no leaks coming out through here, but this one goes through there. So it goes from here all the way down the frame there, across, and then we have the connected to the other side. Let me give you guys a better look. Alright, you can see the line through there. I zip tied it all through. Right there we have a T connection. Right there. We have a T connection. One that goes here, the one that goes to the pump, and the other one that goes across to the other side. So we have all this connected. I zip tied it down to the brake line so it's away from the exhaust. all the way to the other side, and let me go to the other side to show you guys. Alright, so it comes from that side down to here. Well, actually, you can't really see it, but it goes up to here. There's another T here that connects that bag to this bag. I routed the other end following this wire loom here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there it is right there. All the way down, all the way back to the license plate here. So this is our manual Schrader valve right here. And it's also connected with a quick disconnect here. Here it is from the outside. So this will be to manually add air to our bags in case our pump doesn't work. We can either take out air or add more through here. I'm going to go ahead and connect our terminals now. We're going to put our fuse on and then zip tie everything back together. Okay, let's go ahead and test everything out. Here's a controller it comes with. Hopefully it has batteries. Oh yeah, it does. Pull here. Alright. I don't know what this is for. You guys can't really see, but it says pairing here. There we go. Pairing successful. 5. It's 10 mean. Oh. Oh, we did get some air. I don't know how much we have to put in here. It's airing up. You guys can see that. Let me put this down so you guys can see. Alright, we're going to bring it up. This thing's pretty nice right there. Let's bring it up to a 30 maybe. $40. How high we can go right there. 60. Alright, right there we're about 70. I'm gonna bring it up to 80. Alright, 90. Alright, that's 100. That seems right about stock. And our bags are nice and inflated. Alright guys, last thing I gotta do before I finish the setup is check for any leaks. And I bought this clamp here to clamp down our exhaust for now until I can get it welded back in place. You guys remember I did cut it in order to do our flip kit on the driver's side right here. So it's kind of just hanging there. So I'm gonna temporarily clamp it in place until I can drive to a shop because I don't know how to weld. So one thing, is weld. So I'm gonna slip it in here and clamp it down back into place. Right there. Alright guys, our temporary clamp is set here. That way this exhaust doesn't move around too much. And we'll just get it welded in there. We pretty much have it there. I'm gonna leave this always inflated with about 10 psi. That way our bag's always inflated there. And we have about 1 to 2 fingers here. I think that's perfect. That's a perfect stance for me. Love the stance here. So this is a 3.7 drop with the airbags. I want to say it's like a 6 now, so like a 3.6 drop here. So there we have it. Just looking mighty fine now. I'll give you guys my honest review on how the truck rides in the next video. I'm going to take it to get aligned so they can align it properly, and then I'm going to go ahead and drive it on the freeway, drive it around the streets, and see how well it drives. That's going to be it for this video, guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments on the section below, and tune in until next time.
I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my